Hello, we're going to do a quick 10-minute practice today. This is wonderful to do in the morning. Yoga in general is wonderful in the morning. It can get everything moving, your body, your mind, your energy.
Hi, I'm Adam from St Ives in Cornwall, and you're practicing Fightmaster Yoga.
So we'll start off for this practice in Tadasana. You can come up to your feet and make your way to the top of your mat. Feet can be hips width distance, or big toes can touch, heels slightly apart. Just make sure that your stance feels good on your low back. Roll your shoulders back and down a few times. Let's loosen up your shoulders and your neck. Then roll them back and down and relax them away from your ears. Actively reach your fingertips down toward your toes. Press all four corners of your feet into the mat, then reach upward through the crown of your head. Soften the expression on your face and find your deep breathing. Slow, steady breath in and out. And as you inhale, try to create a little bit more space in your body. So you might feel your spine growing taller. You might feel your chest or rib cage expand. As you exhale your breath out, let go of any tension you're holding that is unnecessary right now. And with your next exhalation, empty out your breath. We'll breathe in together. Stretch your arms out and up over your head. Exhale, simply reach your arms out and back down by your sides. We'll do that again, just warming the shoulders. Inhale, reach out and up. Exhale, out and down. Adding to that movement, inhale, circle your arms up. Exhale, reach out, little bend of your knees, fold forward and down, keeping your spine long as much as possible. As you breathe in, take your hands to your shin bones. Feel like you're trying to pull your chest away from your thighs. Exhale, release, let your chest fold toward your thighs. Press into your feet. Next inhalation, come back up to stand. Long spine as you rise. Exhale, let's take the hands together at heart center. Same thing again. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, little bend of the knees. Lead with an open chest as you fold. Inhale, take your hands to your shins. Lift halfway, shoulders away from ears. Exhale, release back over your legs. Next inhalation, come back up. Send arms overhead. And exhale, lower your hands down. Adding to this movement, inhale, reach up, look up. Exhale, hinge and fold. Inhale, come up halfway, chest forward. As you breathe out, step your right foot to the back of your mat. So you're coming into a lunge. Set your knee down. Inhale, take your arms up. And as you do so, lean back a little bit here, opening up the front line of the body. Exhale, take your hands down. Step your right foot all the way forward. Inhale to that half lift position. As you exhale, step your left foot back, knee down. So we come into a lunge, second side. Inhale, reach your arms up. Again, lean back. Exhale, hands to frame the right foot. Step your left foot forward. Inhale, half lift, long spine. Exhale, release and fold. Let your head go. Inhale, come back up to stand, reach through your fingertips, and exhale, lower your hands to your heart. Adding to that again, inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hinge and fold. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, take your right foot back for lunge, knee down. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lean back. Exhale, this time bring your hands down. Step your left foot back to down dog. Now if you need to, you can bring your hands inside of that left foot and then step back. Down dog, hold here a few breaths. Walk out your feet. It might feel good to bend both knees, come up onto the toes. It might feel good to turn your head side to side. And we'll move back into a lunge. Inhale, raise your right leg up and back. Exhale, step your foot between your hands. Feel free to use that right hand to guide the foot. Left knee to floor, big breath in, reach up. Exhale, frame your right foot, step your left foot all the way forward. Inhale, come up halfway, and exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise to stand. Now this time, as you come up, arms overhead, see if you can lift your heels off the ground. A little bit challenge for balance. Belly in, lengthen your tailbone toward your heels. Stay here, inhale. Exhale, heels down, fold back over your legs. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, now we take the left foot back, knee to floor. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, step back and downward facing dog. Adding on this round. Inhale, shift forward to plank. Set your knees down to the ground. So you're in a modified plank. We're not here with the knees under the hips. We're here with the knees behind the hips. Firm your belly. Keep your chest lifted, head in line with your spine. Now shift forward about an inch or two. Exhale, bend your elbows a little or a lot. Inhale, push straight back up to that modified plank. Exhale, bend. So you're coming into a chaturanga. Inhale, push back up. One more time, just like that. Exhale, bend. Inhale, push up. Now exhale, bend, lower to the floor. Inhale, low cobra. Float your hands off the ground. Press into the tops of your feet. Lift a little higher through your chest. One more in-breath. Set your hands down. As you exhale, come up to your knees first. Curl your toes. Push back to down dog. Take a deep breath in. Full exhalation out. Next in-breath, raise left leg to sky. Exhale, step through. Remember, you can always use that left hand to guide the foot. Right knee down. Inhale, take your arms overhead. Exhale, frame your foot. Step to the front of your mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come up. One more time. Lift your heels. Lengthen evenly through all four sides of your torso. Big in-breath. Exhale, heels down. Fold back over your legs. Inhale, half lift. Plant your hands. Exhale, we'll step or walk back to down dog. So feel free to take a few smaller steps to get there. Deep breath in and out. Then we'll set the knees to the floor. Bump the feet to one side. Take them out in front of you. Come to sit. Move yourself to about center of your mat. Have your knees bent and lower yourself down onto your back. And as you release down, knees stay bent, soles of feet on the ground. Bring your hands by your sides. So we'll take one deeper back bend bridge pose. This is really great for opening the chest and the shoulders. As you inhale, lift your hips, hold here. Option one, hands can stay right where they are. Option 2, interlace your fingers. Bring your upper arms in closer. Press down through your upper arms and your shoulders and lift higher through your chest and your hips. Now relax your face, relax your neck. Take another deep breath. And release the interlace. Lower down from bridge. Soles of feet together, let your knees drop wide apart. Relax your low back down into the ground. And on your next exhalation, knees together, hug them into your chest. Give yourself a big squeeze. Slow your breathing. And extend one leg and the other. Just come to rest on your back for a moment. Soften your breathing. Soften your body. Relax your mind.
Our quote today from David Steinall Rast. It is not joy that makes us grateful. It is gratitude that makes us joyful.
And take a deeper breath. Notice how you feel. Begin to gently move your body. Stretch your arms overhead. And draw your knees to your chest one final time. Roll to one side and come up. Find a comfortable seat. And close your eyes. And place hands together. And take your hands to your forehead to have clear and loving thoughts. Hands to heart center for clear and loving intentions. Hands to your mouth for clear and loving communication, sending this positive energy outward to all beings everywhere. Namaste. The benefits of yoga increase dramatically when we practice every day. We start to feel better in our bodies and we start to feel better in our minds. I've created a 90-day program and I'd love for you to join the first 3 days for free. If you'd like to do that, there's a link in the description of the video and a link in the pinned comments. If you would like to stay on YouTube, I think you might like this video.